Here at Repair Shop Websites, we want you to know why we do what we do.
I call a customer and let them know that I've completed their new website, and they're happy about it. They pull it up and I hear, oh wow, that is probably my favorite part.
Having your clients' expectations blown out of the water. It allows for the opportunity to deliver what you promised and really go above and beyond.
I love my teammates. I really enjoy the customers and developing good relationships with them.
I think of myself as a problem solver. I like to fix things. That's why I get assigned all of the puzzles to figure out.
We're not a call center. When you call in, one of these people will answer your call. Our team works together to provide you with thoughtful responses, helpful advice, and expertise.
First of all, listening to your customer, trying to understand where they come from, but doing everything you can in that experience to make them feel delighted when they're done.
We have to determine what they're expecting, what they need, what they want out of their website, and clarifying those needs with them.
As a designer, you really have a real impact on making something happen in the best way possible. And when you see your design become a real product, that can be so satisfying.
When you call in, you're not going to get a recording. You're going to get one of us, and it just makes it a more personal experience.
There's a lot of things that make us different. The biggest thing is that we don't have any contracts, but we want to make sure that our relationship with our shops is a mutually beneficial relationship.
Repair Shop Websites is really like a big family. We like to offer you options and guide you through every process that we have.
We go the extra mile to personalize your website. We want to put in photos of you, we want to put in photos of your shop, of your team, as much information as we can about you. So when you pull up your website, you get that feeling that it is your website and not just a website.
We're a small department, always available via email or phone for all of our customers. We genuinely care about their business. We offer honest advice and suggestions that really bring value.
We love being able to get to know our customers because each one of them has a different story, just like us.
Outside of work, you can find me with my husband, 2 kids, our dog and cat, and us in our home garden or us at the farmer's market getting as much produce and honey as we can find.
I'm usually at the Y. I take yoga classes a couple times a week, and other than that, we just hang out and watch Netflix and play with our cats.
I usually am somewhere with my family or at the gym because I'm trying to lose some weight and tone up.
I enjoy watching true crime documentaries with my puppy Blaze, cuddled up with a glass of wine.